Hello there, this is Sabbir here from WpMania, and we will show you how to install WpMania themes. Once you're logged into your WordPress admin panel, visit Appearance, then Themes. From here, click on Add New button. Then click on Upload Theme. Click Choose File to upload the theme file. First, we need to install Glister, the core framework theme. So we will select it and click Open. Now we need to hit the Install Now button. Now click the Return to Theme page. From here we will do the same, but now we will install a specific theme. Like here we are going to install Loan Officer WordPress theme as an example. So as like before, click on Add New. Then click Upload Theme, then click on Choose File, then select the specific theme you have. Here for this video we will install Loan Officer WordPress theme, so we are going to select that. Then click on Open and then hit the Install Now button. At this point we will click on Activate. Now it will allow us to install all the required plugins with just few mouse click by clicking Begin Install Plugins. So click on that. Select all the plugins by checking here. Then select Install and hit the Apply button. Now just wait to finish it installing all the plugins one by one. It is finished. Now click on Return to Required Plugins Installer by clicking here. Now we need to activate all the plugins. So select all by checking here and select Activate and hit the Apply button. So now you are all set. You installed the theme and plugins. You can now see the site. It is not much as we did not import the demo content. In the next video, we will show you how to install the demo content with just few mouse click, so that you can make your website just like the demo very easily. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, as we will add videos that will help you to boost your site speed, security, and make more sales from your website. See you in the next video.